Every time you chase her, you're teaching her that you're not worth chasing. Let that sink in. The more attention you give without standards, the more invisible you become. But when you shift your focus, when you stop chasing and start building, the game changes. You don't need tricks, mind games, or fake confidence. You need powerful inner transformation, because the truth is simple. A woman is far more attracted to the man who walks away with peace than the one who runs after her with desperation. This video will show you exactly how to reclaim that power so you no longer chase women, they chase you. Number 1. Shift from pursuer to purpose-driven man. When your life is centered around women, you lose your identity. You become reactive, constantly adjusting your energy, your priorities, even your personality, just to be liked. But the man who lives with purpose, he doesn't chase. He wakes up with direction. He invests in his health, his career, his mindset. He doesn't pause everything because she didn't reply to a message. And that's the man women can't ignore, because purpose creates presence. Instead of waiting for attention, become so deeply focused on your mission that she's the one wondering how she can be part of your world. A man with purpose is attractive, not just because of what he does, but because of who he's becoming. And that energy is powerful, it's rare, it's unforgettable. Number 2, master emotional independence. Most men don't realize how much of their identity is wrapped around external validation, especially from women. If she texts back, you feel good. If she doesn't, your day is ruined. That's not attraction, that's emotional dependency. Emotional independence means learning to validate yourself. Your peace, your mood, your self-worth shouldn't rise and fall based on her reactions. Instead of obsessing over what she's thinking, redirect that energy inward. Develop a solid routine, spend time alone, get comfortable in your own presence. When a man can sit alone and feel powerful, that's when he becomes magnetic. You stop needing her to like you because you already like yourself. And women pick up on that. They respect it. They're drawn to the man who doesn't need them to feel complete because he already is. So the next time you find yourself waiting on a text or refreshing her social media, stop. Ask yourself, what part of me is still dependent? And then fix that, because emotional strength is 10 times more attractive than physical looks. Number 3, build a magnetic lifestyle. Attraction starts long before you speak. The way you walk, the way you dress, how you spend your time, all of it tells a story. Most men try to impress a woman after meeting her, but the smartest men build a life that speaks for them before she ever arrives. Ask yourself, is your life interesting? Do you wake up excited about your goals? Do you surround yourself with purpose, ambition, and challenge? Because if your life is boring to you, it will be invisible to her. Start leveling up, learn new skills, travel, build your income, try things that scare you. The more you grow, the more she becomes intrigued. Not because you're chasing her, but because you're building something rare. Women are drawn to environments where they feel inspired. Be the kind of man whose life is so full that it naturally invites curiosity. And suddenly, you won't be chasing, you'll be choosing. Number 4, embrace the power of mystery. In today's world of constant updates and oversharing, mystery is more powerful than ever. Most guys think they're building connection by being an open book, texting constantly, updating her on every detail, trying to prove they're trustworthy. But what you're really doing is removing the intrigue. When she already knows everything about you, there's nothing left to discover. Attraction thrives on curiosity. Let her wonder where you are, what you're doing, who you're becoming. Don't be rude or distant, just be intentional with what you share. Leave space, let her ask, let her come to you. A mysterious man isn't one who plays games, he's someone with depth, and depth takes time to unfold. If she's thinking about you when you're not around, you've already won half the battle, because when a woman is curious, she starts chasing. Number 5, stop over-investing early on. This is one of the most common traps men fall into. They give too much, too fast. Endless compliments, expensive gifts, always initiating. All in the hope that she'll appreciate the effort. But here's the truth. Women don't value what comes too easy. When you overinvest without seeing equal effort, you're training her to take you for granted. It sets up an emotional imbalance where you're the giver and she becomes the chooser. Healthy relationships require mutual investment. If you're always the one texting first, planning everything, and adjusting your schedule to suit hers, stop, hold back. Let her prove herself too. Let her feel what it's like when your attention isn't guaranteed. And if she doesn't match your energy, walk away with confidence, because your time, your energy, and your focus are valuable, and only women who recognize that deserve access to it. Number 6. Set unshakable standards. Women are naturally drawn to men with boundaries, not because it makes them harder to get, but because it proves they have self-respect. Having standards doesn't mean being controlling. It means knowing what kind of treatment you will and won't accept. If she's playing games, being disrespectful, constantly flaking, and you still chase her, you're teaching her that bad behavior gets rewarded. But if you calmly walk away the moment she disrespects your time, you're teaching her that you have options. And that message is powerful. A man with standards doesn't beg, doesn't argue, doesn't try to convince her to act right. He simply exits situations that don't meet his values, and that silence speaks louder than any lecture ever could. Remember, a king doesn't explain why his crown is heavy. He just wears it. Be that king. Number 7. Focus on self-transformation, not seduction. A lot of men are obsessed with trying to figure out what works on women, the perfect line, the right technique, the ideal message to send. But attraction isn't built on seduction tactics. It's built on transformation. The real question isn't, how do I make her like me? It's, how do I become the kind of man that women naturally want to be around? That means getting your life in order, physically, mentally, emotionally, financially. Hit the gym not for approval, but for discipline. Read books not to impress, but to grow. Build your income. Learn to speak with presence. Heal your childhood wounds. Every bit of growth makes you more rare, and the rarer you become, the more attractive you are, without needing to try. Women aren't just looking for someone to flirt with, they're looking for someone to admire. Become that man, and she'll come to you without you ever needing to chase. Now listen carefully. Women aren't the prize, you are. The goal isn't to impress her, win her, or chase her. The goal is to become so complete, so focused, so powerful in your own journey that she has no choice but to take notice. Because when a man builds a life filled with purpose, vision, and strength, he doesn't chase women, he attracts them. So stop running in circles trying to prove your worth. Start building the kind of life that speaks for itself. And remember this, the woman who's truly meant for you won't need to be chased. She'll recognize your value and she'll come find you. Until then, stay focused, stay disciplined, and above all, become the kind of man you admire, because that's the man the world and she can't ignore.